Hi, I'm Dr. Dee Grace, aka Dr. D with the Cancer Detox Program. Welcome to the Cancer Detox Program for prevention. This is an awesome program that I think you'll love. It's all about 24 cancer prevention strategies you can implement if you're worried about getting cancer, if you're worried about cancer in your children or future generations to come. First, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a PhD scientist, trained in microbiology as well as molecular biology, and I currently work in cancer research. My journey to becoming a cancer health advocate started out with helping family and friends. These were people that got diagnosed with cancer. They were overwhelmed by the cancer diagnosis, and they knew they needed help and actually beating the disease. They knew I was a scientist and that I could research medical treatments. I can explain it to them. I can explain their actual diagnostic tests, and I can have peer-to-peer conversations with medical professionals that they just didn't feel comfortable having. So with that, the Cancer Detox Program was born. Along their journeys, they realized that they also needed some assistance with changing their lifestyle. They may have heard about different things such as turmeric, which is a spice that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties, or resveratrol, which comes from red grapes. And they may have heard that, well, this is something that also has anti-cancer properties as well. So they wanted to start implementing and adding in a lot of these health promoting foods. They wanted to live better by exercising more, as well as getting rid of a lot of toxic chemicals from their environment, and they wanted to reduce their stress. So I developed a game plan to help them do that while they were on their cancer journey, taking their medical treatments and going to doctor's appointments. They also knew that I could keep track of their medical records and make sure that everything was just well put together as they were going through their cancer journey. So that's how the Cancer Detox Program was formed. So you signed up for the Cancer Detox Program for prevention, and our company is very unique. It's all about helping relieve the overwhelmed feeling cancer patients and their families have after they get a diagnosis and take control of their treatment process. Our number one goal is to help you relieve your overwhelmed feeling as well as improve your survival outcomes. So we do this by essentially showing you how to change your health in 12 weeks or less. For prevention, you can actually change your health in 4 weeks or less if you're really truly motivated. Our goal is all about science-based ways to prevent cancer as well as detox from cancer. The cool thing about this program is that it's cross-functional. So it's not just for cancer prevention. You can also do this if you want to prevent heart disease as well as diabetes, which is excellent. So you get a lot of added information that's not just for cancer, but for a lot of other chronic diseases that plague many Americans. We also help the cancer patient guide them through those tough conversations with their doctor and their healthcare professionals. We're there for you in person or remotely, helping you have educated discussions with your doctor as you go through your cancer journey, helping you to understand your cancer treatments and your diagnostic treatments, as well as helping you change your lifestyle as you are on your cancer journey. So the Cancer Prevention Program for prevention is going to take you through 24 strategies you can implement in 4 weeks or less. Okay, so what you get in the program, you're going to be able to do this in 4 weeks, or if you need a little bit longer, that's your choice. You can take a little bit longer, have the information kind of solidify in your mind so that it becomes a natural lifestyle. These are science-based strategies, so everything that we are suggesting here is steeped in science. Essentially, we show you how to incorporate a plant-based diet, live better by detoxifying the body through the skin, through the colon, by adding lots of water, by exercising, and getting rid of toxic chemicals from your environment, as well as reducing stress. We urge you to take action to take care of yourself. C-A-R-E. So what does care mean? C is for the cabbage family vegetables. These are cruciferous vegetables which have tons of medical information about their anti-cancer properties. We have A for avoiding sugar. So we want to get rid of sugar-sweetened beverages, which unfortunately have been shown to actually increase your risk of cancer because cancer loves sugar. So A is for avoiding sugar. R is for renewing the liver. The liver is one of the key detoxifying organs in the body. It's an important organ. It has over 400 functions. So you want a healthy liver throughout your life. And E is for eating more fiber. Fiber is so important. It can reduce your risk of cancer by 18% if you're eating 30 grams or more of fiber per day. So, the Cancer Detox Program for Prevention is going to show you how to take care of yourself. You'll also get some added strategies on exercising, as well as water intake and relaxation methods. So let's get into the science. This is my heart. I'm a scientist, so I love all these scientific facts. Let's look at eating fruits and vegetables. Well, 5 to 7 servings of fruits and vegetables a day in a recent study has been shown to reduce the risk of death by cancer by 25%. That is a huge number, okay? Now, if you were to up that amount to 7 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, you not only reduce your risk of cancer even more, but you also reduce your risk of heart disease by 31%. So as I said, this program is cross-functional. It's not just for cancer prevention, but it's also for a lot of other chronic diseases that Americans are facing. What about exercise? Exercise is so important. It's a stress reducer, and it also reduces inflammation in the body. Inflammation can fuel cancer. So, women who did moderate exercise, such as jogging, and this is jogging where you can have a conversation with another person that you're with, moderate jogging 5 times a week can actually reduce your risk of cancer by 17%. Now, let's say you wanted to do a brisk walk or you wanted to garden. You can actually reduce your risk of cancer if you did that several times per week by 13%. So there's benefits to adding these lifestyle interventions in your road to cancer prevention. Our whole goal with the Cancer Detox Prevention Program is to bust a lot of myths that are out there. So one of the biggest myths is that cancer is hereditary. Well, in fact, we actually inherit poor lifestyle habits. Only 10% of cancers are actually caused by quote-unquote bad genes. 70% is caused by food, alcohol, and tobacco smoking. So, our whole goal with this program is to show you ways to counteract the standard American diet and lifestyle, which can increase your risk of cancer. If you're looking at this video, you're in the exact place you need to be, because we're going to show you how to do that. You can start off the program by listening to the 4 audios, okay? The 4 audios will take you from beginning to end for the whole entire program. It will guide you through the ebook. The ebook you can read from beginning to end to continue to take in the information so that it becomes ingrained into your head, into your mind, and you lead a natural cancer prevention lifestyle. If you have questions, we are here to help. So feel free to contact me at thecancerdetox.com, or you can email me directly at hello@thecancerdetox.com. Thank you so much for signing up. I'm so glad that you're here. Again, this is Dr. Dee Grace, aka Dr. D with the Cancer Detox. Thanks.